Wow, look at those fireworks, Lisa.
Wow, look at this. Follow me, Chris, I got the fireworks.
Loading up the truck with all the fireworks.
Chris the Hobby Guy is here.
Hey, hey.
With Mystic Mullet Daveberry.
Woo!
Mystic Islands Fireworks 2018.
Love it.
How are you, Chris the Hobby Guy?
Doing really well, and I'm so happy being here.
This is a wonderful place to be in South Jersey in the summer.
Danny, this is a lot of fireworks, huh?
Look at this fireworks display. Come inside, I'm going to show you more. Come on in. Oh, Chris the Hobby Guy, 4th of July. This is Chris the Hobby Guy, 4th of July documentary.
That's it.
Look at these.
Danny, show us.
Look at this.
Wow. Wow. Danny, that's amazing.
I heard they use the same explosives in Kuwait. Look at this.
Wow, those are mortars, huh?
Look at that.
Amazing. There's more in here? Oh, wow.
You believe that?
This is something else, huh, Danny?
Look at this stuff. I wouldn't even know where to start. I'm an observer.
Wow.
Is that amazing?
That is something else.
That is probably the same amount of fireworks that they use in Macy's.
Chris the
We
Hobby
need to
Guy.
tell all the fans to subscribe to Chris the Hobby Guy.
Perfect.
And watch Mystic Islands in the summer.
Hey, everybody, look at these fireworks. Pretty soon when it gets dark, we're going to shoot these off. This is an amazing assortment. Tremendous amount. And this is going to be a fireworks display like you've never seen before out here on Mystic Island. Amazing. You got to check all this out. We're going to have such a nice time tonight watching all of this. Lisa, on Mystic Island, New Jersey.